and I'm just wanting to talk to you about a competition we will be running in a couple of weeks' time. And one lucky person will have the opportunity to win a lovely prize of our lava shell kit, which I'll demonstrate to you how you should use it and what's in the kit, along with our Kokolokahi candle to relax and unwind in the bath one afternoon after work, so you can just chill and revitalize your body. Along with the prize, you will also have the opportunity to have a spa day for two, which is to use the facility for 2 hours along with a half an hour lava shell massage. So you get a taste of what it feels like and how it's going to help to relax your muscles. I'll be doing a demonstration for you so you can see how you could use it at home and what the lava shell is all about. Lava shell is like your new hot stone massage. So those of you who have hot stones before, you know what a fantastic treatment it is. Lava shell is even much better because the heat lasts much longer than your hot stones. So here we go. First of all, your shell is come from the Philippines, so it's made from the tiger clams basically, and it's all natural, so it's biodegradable. We use the shell along with your activator, which is your salt water, plus you have your sachet with your algae. So these have kelp, gel algae, plus your lava plus your lavender. So lavender is quite healing and your algae is quite detoxifying and relaxing your muscles. So we're going to use these in your gel. First of all, you're going to open it. So it comes with your stopcock. And I am using a medium heat. You will have in your kit a light heat. And you must remember to keep this away from children because the heat stays longer, they can burn themselves. So you don't want to be using it around your children whereby you could put it down and forget it, because when it's resting, it's getting hotter and hotter. So it's not something you could leave on the skin for any length of period, just resting it on the skin, because you will get burned. So you don't want to do that. You have to be constantly using it. So I'm going to be showing you how it takes about 7 minutes to heat up. So you don't want to leave it any longer. So you're going to open your sachet and take that sachet, which, as I said, have your algae, your kelp, your lava gel, and your lavender. And you are going to put it in your shell. So we're going to fold that and put it in. And you want to take your finger and spread it around so it's not in a lump. So you want to spread it around neatly so it looks like this. Okay. Next, you're going to take your activator. You're going to open your activator like I am opening it here. And you're going to put your activator in here. Yep. And then you can take your finger and pass it around. Make sure the activator soaks into the gel sachet. And you close it up. Like that. Nice, smooth texture. So I'm going to leave this to heat up for a few minutes. And while that is happening, I'm going to show you what's in your kit that you will receive. Now the kit, the whole package is worth £265, I believe. So in here you would have your Kokolokahi oil, 4 different oils which you would use to massage, and you can also use to take your bath with as well. So they all have different. You have your strength. So if you're thinking, well, I'm not feeling very strong today, you could use your strength to either massage or take a bath with. you have your vitality, so you want to spur you up a little bit of vitality to like keep you going. And you have your purity, so to purify, so it's quite nurturing to purify. Yeah. And then you have your clarity, so you want a sense of clarity, because sometimes we get a little bit cloudy in our mind, so the clarity will just help to bring that out. Again, you could use that both to massage with as well as use it in your bath, so you just want a couple of drops in your bath. Thing I find really good about doing that, just getting your oil dispersed in the bath, is taking a teaspoon of milk and putting about maybe 3-4 drops in your oil, and that disperse in your bath. You may want to put a little bit more, but it's really nice to do that, and the oil doesn't stay at the surface, so it's just dispersed. Especially if you get like the nourishing milk bath, which nourishes the skin, so you're getting that soft, smooth, like Cleopatra when she bathed in milk, really nice, soft, smooth skin. You also get, as I mentioned before, your sachets. So you have what? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different times you can use this. And again, you might come from work and you might be thinking, gosh, I have a sore pain on my shoulder or my knee or wherever it is you're thinking. You can then use one of these with your lava shell, which is in here. So you have your lava shell in here, and you see how I have used that for you. And you have your sachets. So you have your sachets, which goes along with your lava gel. Think about that. You come from work and you're thinking, gosh, I need a little bit of clarity, or just want to relax. You could use your purity. And you have your Kokolokahi candle, and you light that candle in the bath. I wouldn't say you could take a bottle of wine in there with you, but why not? If you just want to just chill out, why not? Then you have your candle. It smells beautiful. And you light your candle and just picture yourself. Right now I can see myself lying in this bath, just taking a cool bath and just breathing, taking some abdominal breathing and breathing in and breathing out, and just see myself just floating, just relaxing in that bath. What a wonderful feeling that is. When you finish your bath, you can then use your oil, but you don't have to wait if you don't want to have a bath and you're thinking, well, I just want to use this. But just make sure when you use your lava shell, you're not going to go and take a hot bath after. And so mine is a bit warm now, so the way you can use it, let's say your partner come from work and he's a bit tense, or she's a bit tense. You could use it on the clothes as well, so you don't have to be on clothes to use it. You could use it on clothes, so it's really nice. It's working. So you use your lava shell, you can massage with it. So you're going to use your oil. I'm not going to test your oil because that's your oil. Just going to use that to massage with, and it's really nice and warm. It's quite nice to use, and as you use it, it will get warm. When, as I said, you can't leave it like hot stones. You would normally leave hot stones on the skin and be doing different things. This one, you don't want to do that because you can get first-degree burn with it. So you want to rest it down. If it feels get very hot, you want to have a compress, a cold compress. So if it's too hot for you to handle, you can use a compress to wipe it, and that will cool it down for you. So you can then start using that again, and you can massage with it. So the heat lasts for about an hour. In here, sometimes what I find, it can even last longer than an hour. So as I said, you don't want to put it next to anything that the children can get to, and they can burn themselves with it. You want to be very, very careful. So I hope this has helped you to see how you can use it, and the benefits of using this is, well, number one, it helps to relax your muscles. It helps to ease the muscular aches and tension. The heat penetrates deeper into the muscles to relax the muscles deep within. So it's not superficial, not just working superficially, working a lot deeper. So the muscles feel really supple, really nice and supple afterwards. And also it's aiding with your detoxification as well, because as I said, it has the algae in it, and algae is quite detoxifying as well as remineralizing. So you're going to get a whole bunch of benefits from utilizing the lava shell. along with taking your bath. So to recap, you need to look out for this because we are going to be running the promotion. So you need to look out whether it's on our website or whether it's on Facebook or whether it's on LinkedIn, anywhere, never sure where it's going to come. So again, to recap, your gift set includes your lava shell plus your 4 oils plus 4 days or 4 time use of your lava package. But it also comes with yourself, your kit, your heating kit. So it tells you, gives you a little brochure and tells you exactly how to use it. So we're not going to just leave you alone so you can see the areas where you need to use it and how you're going to be applying it, and it tells you how to do everything. So as you can see, you are well equipped to use it safely. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to give us a call. Once again, my name is Verna. Here at La Vie, we offer different types of treatment, and lava shell is wonderful for aches and pains, even for sports as well. It's very good for relaxing those muscles. So we look forward to hearing from you. Any questions at all, you can visit our website or you can call us here on 01935 483 435. The phone number again is 01935 483 435, or you can visit our website www.lavispa.co.uk. Thank you. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.